I have an Aqualisa shower, thermostatic, the kind with a round dial and pointer for the temperature. The red temperature button is stuck in and will not let me turn the dial back to cooler. I don't want to force it. Less than 2 years old, not heavy use. Any suggestions, please? Thank you.
Hi, my name is see if I can assist you. When you say the temp button is stuck, are you referring to the override button? Have you left the shower to cool down and then tried to turn it then?
Yes, I mean the little red override button that you press to allow you to turn it hotter, and yes, the shower has cooled down.
Okay, if the button is stuck in the down and override position, then when the shower has cooled, if you have a wrench you may be able to, with flannel over to protect it, just rock it back and forth slightly to see if it frees it, otherwise it will require a new cartridge. This may still be under warranty from Aqualisa. Do you know the model?
Thank you, I will try with a wrench, and seek out the model.
I know from past experience and being an Aqualisa trained engineer that this is mainly due to the temperature dial being turned to max and left for some time. In a hard water area they sometimes seize like this due to scale. Also heat can affect being able to turn back the dial, so allowing to cool down allows it to move freely again.
It is an Aqualisa Colt model. I think the temperature dial has been turned nearly to max for a while and not turned back. Our water is hard-ish, but not very hard. I have tried a certain amount of pressure on the plastic finger pointing at the temperature, but don't want to apply too much in case I break it. If it is seized up with scale, is there anything I can spray it with, like weak vinegar solution or weak kettle cleaner, that might free it up?
The chance are the internal mechanism will be seized. Do you have a concealed or the exposed version? If the exposed version, it may be possible for you to take out the cartridge to see if you can free it. But there are not many serviceable parts on the unit. A new cartridge is about 150 pounds if it's the exposed. Hi, just to follow up to see if you got anywhere with the shower. If you found any of my information helpful, can you please leave a rating for me? If not, then please feel free to request further information. Kind regards.
Thank you. Guess I will need a plumber to install a new cartridge. Pity this advice isn't included in the instructions. Thanks for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.